Hello, my name is Jesse Walter. Today we're going to make glowing eyes in After Effects on some footage, and the methods we're going to cover will be timeline layers, applying filters, masking, and tracking. In the left panel, right-click, select Import File, and import your video. Drag your footage and drop it into the Layers panel. If you need to trim your video at all, you can simply click on that layer, press Control, Shift, and D same time, and that will split that layer. We need to duplicate the layer. Click on the layer, press Control and D. Now we're going to trim the top layer. I'm going to make sure I clicked on that top layer to select it. Control, Shift, D, and that splits the layer. Click on that first half of the layer and delete it. Right-click on the second half of that footage and select Pre-Compose. From the Pre-Compose dialog, select the Move All Attributes to New Composition. Move the slider bar to the last frame, and then let's zoom into our eye and begin creating our mask. And now what we want to do is use the pen tool, which is located up here, or you can hit G. There's G. And then we're going to put points down to kind of mask out the eye. Now we want to take a look at the mask properties. To get to the mask properties, go to your layer, and then on the left-hand side, click the little arrow, which opens up the properties for that layer. And then you'll see all the adjustments to the layer. Click the masks layer. We now want to add tracking to this mask. So to do that, we need to right-click on that mask property. Click on the track mask. On our right-hand panel, we'll see the tracking properties appear. We need to make sure that this is set to position, scale, and rotation. So that's set. And now we need to analyze this. And this is going to track the mask going backwards. Will be all frames. So we're going to click on all frames, and we're going to let that cook. And we can see that it's already tracking and moving with the eye. Okay, the tracking has been completed, and if we scrub through this quickly, we can see it did a pretty decent job, but we're going to have to manually adjust our mask. We need to find where the tracking falls apart and edit frame by frame to fix this tracking. Drag the front end of the mask layer over to hide the mask until we're ready to see it. We're going to begin adding our effects, so click on the window menu and then find Effects and Presets. In the Effects and Presets search bar, search for Fill, and then drag and drop that fill onto the mask layer. I'm going to change my fill color to yellow. In the Effects and Presets, search for Glow. Drag that glow over to the left panel under the fill and drop it. Just as we did with the glow effect, we're going to add a lens flare effect as well as light ray effect. So search for those and add those to the left panel. I tweaked the properties of each of these effects. Please pause the video to review these changes. One thing to keep in mind with the lens flare, you will want to grab the lens flare center and move it to the middle of your mask. It's render time.